Hey everybody, it's Andrew again. We're here doing another member shout out. Today we're at Nailed It DIY Studios in Waterford Lakes, and I'm here with Margie. So Margie, take it away.
Okay, so my name is Margie Ann Dotson. I am one of the owners here at Nailed It DIY Studio Orlando. We are a husband and wife team, so me and my husband own it. This is the ultimate DIY experience. You get to come in, pick out your wood from the wood options on the wall, and you get to take those pieces from that raw state over, put a stencil on it, put your colors on it, pick whatever colors you want, and it ends up being transformed into something like this. Now this right here is our retail section. You are also welcome to come in and pick up a gift. If you don't have time to come in and make something, you can definitely pick up something from our retail area. You are going to be sat down at a space like this. You have your apron that you put on. This is the stencil. And then this is the piece of wood that you're going to be working with. So this wood is going to be sanded, it's going to be painted, it's going to be stenciled, and you get to do it every step of the way. We help you through the whole process. We have our art tenders here who help you select colors. They help you, with every step of the process. And if you don't have time to come in and make something yourself, you can definitely ask us to make it for you. We will put our love and energy into your project for you and let you know when it's ready to pick up. Great for gifts, great for housewarming, great for anybody that needs something custom for their home. So if there's something that you don't see or something in particular that you want for your home, something's meaningful, like yesterday we had a couple that came in and every night at the dinner table they ask everybody for their 3 favorite things that happened in the day. So what we did is we created a sign for them that said, your 3 favorite things. So if there's something custom or meaningful that you want made into a sign, we can definitely do that for you. What we are doing is social distancing groups. So it's very much like when you walk into a restaurant together. So if you have a group of 10 and you're all together, you will all be seated together. If there's another group that comes in, they will be seated in a separate area, such as a separate bar or our party room. Every tool that you use is sanitized after each use, and the aprons that you use are also washed after each use. After everybody leaves the studio, we do a full sanitation process on all of our bar stools, the bars, everything. This is a great place to come in and have a great time with your family, with your friends. We do so many different events. We do team building events. We have opportunities for birthday parties, for kids, for adults. We do have a separate party room just for kids, so they really enjoy that area for themselves. If you come in as adults, you are welcome to bring in food and wine or beer, whatever your choice is. We just want to make this feel like home for you. So this is our kids party area or our private party area. The bar is a little bit lower to allow for those shorter torsos to be able to work on their projects together, but really anybody fits in here. We can have a group of about 10 children here or a group of about 6 adults in this room. So for those of you that don't feel quite comfortable leaving the house yet, or you can't for any reason, we also have take and makes. These are great activities for adults and children, and even if those children are homeschooled, it's a great activity to really incorporate the arts and wood building into their daily teaching. We do have take and makes, which you can see here. There's a bunch of different options online. We have take and make kits that come complete with your painting supplies, so your paint, your sponges, the wood, and instructions on how to complete your projects. If you decide that you would like to have a virtual event instead of event inside the studio, we do offer take and makes for virtual events as well. Everybody places their order, you get a Zoom link, you all get together as a group online and are able to create your projects together, either on your own or guided by one of us. Our address is 12789 Waterford Lakes Parkway, Suite 6, Orlando, Florida 32828. We are in the Waterford Lakes area, kind of behind the movie theater. Our hours are Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday from 12 to 7 p.m. Fridays and Saturdays from 12 to 8 p.m. The only days that we are closed are Mondays. Our website is orlando.naileditdiy.com, and you can go on there to book a spot online, or you can call us. Our phone number at the studio is 407-680-3950.